Hi guys, I hope you're keeping well. As we sit and see the situation, we have another bout of a mutated virus which is spreading. I have been studying some articles, and more than studying any external articles, I have been trying to understand the virus from a yogic point of view, not the scientific, not the biological point of view. What has been given to understand is that the mutated virus, it requires a host to be able to do the damage that it requires. It requires comorbidities to make things fatal. So one of the aspects is the medicine, the modern medicine, which is helping you on a very physical cross level. And the other aspect is the one that I have been trying to share, the yogic aspect, which works on the energy, which works on the prana, the cosmic healing energy of the universe. So when you combine both, the healing becomes a very holistic healing. For this reason, I have been trying and putting in effort to share a lot of the yoga which I have learned through the blessings of the Himalayan masters, the Avduts. And I wanted to make an effort to try and share this with you. So you not only heal from your inner powers, but also you also have that faith that even if the situation keeps on fluctuating from good to bad, bad to worse, worse to good, good to bad, again and again and again, you remain in your yoga. You don't panic. You do your stuff of wearing a protection, etc., and all that, and then simultaneously you also take care of your inner systems by doing the breathing, the pranayam, what we have learned. The virus per se, what it shows to be, it has got an alien kind of a origin. In fact, most of the things which are not natural, they have an alien origin. And that is the reason why the body is unable to understand how to fend it off. In such a situation, I always keep one small suggestion that always be more connected to nature. One of the things is that the nature has got all the healing energies that are required for your system to overcome aliens, alienic invasions, etc. Because nature provides you with the material of food, of earthing, of getting rid of that negative energies that has come into your system. So when you connect with the good food, the salads, etc., you draw a lot of vitamins, energies which are raw, and then your body becomes more fitter and stronger, and your immune system becomes more powerful. And when you connect yourself to the earth by doing some activity like planting trees, or simply by walking barefoot for some time in the day on the soil or on the road if you don't have soil or gardens, you earth your body. So these are some of the fundamental things that you practice, and even if you come across, the severity won't be so much. You will heal, you will recover, and you will flourish very fast. Namaste.